Hello guys, today we are going to harvest some of the potato plants. You can see in the middle over there a dried one. I'll be harvesting from that and two more, and this is a continuation of my previous video in which I planted these potatoes. They were small pieces of tubers which I planted. It's been 2-3 months now and they are dying off, so I hope I might have some potatoes. Let's see how it goes. So these are the potato containers which I'm going to harvest. Only small 2-3 potatoes. That's all I got from that one. Let's see what I have here. So guys, from these two containers, this is all I got. I think if I had left it for a few more weeks, I would have got some more, or even a bigger ones. So that's all for now. I'll leave this one and rest of them for a few more weeks and see if I get some better harvest. Okay, until then, see you, bye.